Little Christian, so kind and true, with a heart of love in all you do. You share your joy and your smile so bright. Little Christian, you're a shining light. Little Christian, walking in grace, with love and kindness, you set the pace. Sharing and caring every day. Little Christian, show the way. In the morning sun and the evening star, little Christian, you shine wherever you are. With your prayers and your gentle touch, you make the world mean so much. Little Christian, walking in grace, with love and kindness, you set the pace. Sharing and caring every day. Little Christian, show the way. With faith in your heart and love in your soul, you make the world a better place, making us whole. Every little action, every word you say, little Christian, you light up the way. When you help a friend or lend a hand, little Christian, you help us understand that love and kindness are the way to go. Little Christian, let your true light show. Little Christian, walking in grace, with love and kindness, you set the pace. Sharing and caring every day. Little Christian, show the way. So keep on shining bright and clear. Little Christian, bring joy and cheer. With your heart so full and your spirit so free, little Christian, you're a light for all to see.